So I am having this orange tea right now, and the weather outside is kind of crazy. And it's been raining since morning, and I'm enjoying this weather and seeing sights from my window balcony. Oh, window, sorry, balcony. Uh, so I had this interesting exchange with a client, and I thought that might be interesting to share with you. And the question I'm raising through this video is, what does it mean? What does it really mean to be an adult and to behave like an adult? Who is an adult, by the way? And this question came up when I was facilitating a client of mine. She wanted to manifest a romantic partner in her life, and I led her to explore what is inhibiting her from having that or manifesting that connection. Because most of the time, the barriers and the blockages are within ourselves rather than outside. And when we tend to, and we tend to blame others or situation or any other situation, person or thing for blocking us from having that desire to be fulfilled or to have that connection or romantic partner in my client's case. And she when we went to this exercise of an awareness game, and she found out that that it seems that I don't feel myself adequate to have that romantic partner. So I thought, that's the blockage. If you think that you are not capable or you are not adequate enough to have that partner, then how can you become a match to that partner? Yeah. So if you are thinking that thought recurrently, it becomes your thought form, and then you are that energy, and and nobody is preventing you. Only you are preventing yourself having that romantic partner in your life. So that was amazing. But then she said that I'm not an adult, and that's why people or the person won't be interested in me. You know. So then I raised, then tell me who is an adult then. With that conversation, I had this channel message from my guides. It was like this, that and she was saying an adult performs tasks. An adult is an accomplished person who is very affluent, who can drive because she can't. and, and listening to her, I sort of challenged her, and I said, is this really an adult? And the way people have worked around us, we have many dysfunctional adults in our lives who have messed up our lives. The way people are shutting down their businesses, people shutting down people's businesses and closing down the world. Are they adults? I don't think so. They are fucking shitty dysfunctional adults. Yeah, in my opinion. So what it means to be an adult? Because the kind I want to repeat that if adults in our life are behaving in that way, are they really adults? For me, the great or the quality of an adult or the indicator of adult is to see how adults are behaving, men or women or any sexual orientation, gender orientation. You must see how they behave with animals. You can see adults. My definition of adult is that how people are behaving with their environment, how people are behaving with children, with their spouses. And if their behavior is not of loving and not of caring and not of compassion, then they are not adult. They are dysfunctional adults then. So my definition of adult is this. And I sort of we've discussed that, and I thought that if you can take care of your inner children, if you allow your inner children to flourish and to fulfill their needs, and if you become that self-loving person to yourself, you are an adult. And if you can take care of your inner children, your inner environment, relationship with yourself, and you are taking your interest as your best interest, then you are an adult. And likewise, if you are caring, if you are curious, if you are compassionate, if you are loving towards the environment, towards animal that you come across, towards the people you come across, towards your spouses, towards your children, that's what for me is a good functional adult means. And there's also quality of an adult, which transactional analysis, which Eric Berne said that you have to be problem solver. So if you can problem solve from being a cobbler to a CEO of a company, then you are an adult, because adults have this quality of problem solving. So this is what this adult means for me, and I would encourage you to see that in your life, are people behaving like an adult? Because our parents, our caregivers, our co-workers, our managers, or at workplace or wherever we are, if you see people, you can question: are people behaving like an adult, or they are dysfunctional adults? Though we may seem that they are adult if they are if they are more affluent, if they know skills, but these are not the indicators of an adult per se. So you need to be very careful about what kind of adult you want to become, or you want to be, or what kind of adults you want to have in your lives. Yeah. So I think becoming an adult means that you become an adult for yourself, and which means taking care of yourself, taking care of your needs, being self-loving towards yourself. And self-loving is a cliche term, but I mean that loving means taking your best interest as your interests, and to allow yourself to be part of yourself. That's what loving means, and you understand yourself, and you allow yourself to be who you are in a way that is conducive for other people and for yourself. So I just thought to share with you this discussion of mine. Hope you like it.